Steve Frearson, diagnosed with cancer prostate following my GP referral to Ninewells. I actually took part in a research study. The first set of biopsy results I had were negative, but the research study, which involved a large MRI scan, actually showed up a wee shadow on the prostate. So I did a 24 sample biopsy. That proved very small amounts of cancer on a negative basis, unfortunately. So I opted for the operation. And again, Ninewells staff, absolutely superb. Heard about the move More Dundee just prior to having the operation through Catherine Patterson, who runs a seminar up at Maggie's, and signed up immediately for it because I saw it being an excellent way of getting back into things after you've had the operation. You can't lift or drive for 6 weeks, so your fitness level drops quite substantially. And this was an absolutely ideal way of getting back into it because you can go at your own pace, and the instructors are all very keen on you going at your own pace. So that was a godsend. And as far as the program goes, just superb. I think I've been here for about 6 weeks now, and it's excellent. I didn't think I'd enjoy it that much, but yeah, great, superb. Following the operation, I could hardly get out of bed for the first couple of weeks, gradually building up, and now I'm just like a spring chicken. So yes, it has helped significantly, yes. After a couple of weeks you get to know everybody, everybody's friendly, and there are different people joining the program all the time, so again that keeps it moving and fluid, so very good for that.